Hello everyone, today we are going to be trolling with the girl Firework. Let's just equip it right here. Let's see. Firework, there we go. Equip. Let's start. First, let's check Slapple Islands to get them flops, shall we? Okay. I'm not letting this guy get me. Okay. These are little slappers, but hopefully they give me a lot. Okay, not so bad. Nice. We got a lot from that. Okay, now let's go to troll. Lift off. Woo! Yes, I killed someone. Alright. There's a tycoon. I don't really want to mess him up, so I'm not gonna go for him. Okay. Actually, I think I will. Whee! Oh my god, I killed him. No, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. I killed him. No. I'm battling the spin person. No! I had to miss that to save myself. What the hell is this? Internet sick? What is this? Connect Tycoon? You can connect Tycoons? Since when could you connect Tycoons? I don't care about my grammar. Alright. We killed 2 people so far. Alright. They went in the floor. Oh my god. I'm counting that as a kill. Alright. Let's go. I'm just gonna hide here. Because I'm a little guy doing nothing. Not suspicious. I missed that. That was my fault. I am going to server hop now. Woohoo! Alright, we've swapped servers. Let's continue on our trolling. I don't want a spoonful. No, I want the whole thing. Not the spoonful. Let's go. And I missed that completely. And I died. Wow! Anyway, let's go back. Enter. Alright. The enter arena thing is such a useful thing. Kind of inventory thing. I can get goods without walking. Someone joined me. I do not know who that is, but he's my friend. Ah! That's a joke, by the way. Ooh, I would like to join that tournament. Yes, please. Alright. Let's see how this is gonna go. Well, I lost that one. Okay. Let's continue. Oh my god, it's extended. Yeah, cannon. I think it's time to teach this cannon a lesson. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's shoot. Hey buddy, how are you doing? I just want to talk, buddy. You don't need to be scared. Come on. Come on, buddy. Ooh, that saved me. Now, get over here. Goodbye. That's 4 kills. No. To infinity and beyond! Oh no. Are you serious? She's dead. Alright. Oh, it's Bev. No! Bruh. Yeah! Yeah, I'm resetting. Alright, let's continue. Do. No. Don't touch me there. This Bev is chasing me down forever. Alright. Are you serious? Alright, cut, mister. Why did I say that? Goodbye. I'm running away. Whee! Everyone trying to spam when you get away to the Cannon Island. My name's Firework. It's the same guy that killed earlier in here. Where'd he go? Oh, he's in space this time. Ah! I died! No! I'm so sad because I died. Turning with the air. Hit the wire. Oh my god, no! I didn't notice the no. Right. I'll get at least 5 kills. Well, that's 5. No! Oof, landing. Okay, I'm not even showing anyone. Like, I need to get some kills. Leonardo? From Ninja Turtles? No, it's not. Bah. Okay, it's time to get some kills with this thing called Firework. No, stay away. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Oh yeah. No. Oh. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching and goodbye.